So today I just wanted to quickly give you my opinion on the Insta360 ONE X2. I just wanted to actually vlog with this because this seems to be a really good camera for me to sometimes vlog with it, just because I get this really cool perspective of a 360 view, as well as you can also turn it into just one side and put it on linear mode so it's not too concave looking or fisheye looking, whatever you want to say. But yeah, I think it's pretty good for that. So I'm actually going to switch to this, and this also has 5 different microphones on here, which is really cool. But I do think that is a little bit of a double-edged sword, because you do have 5 microphones, and if you don't have wind covers for all 5 of them, you're going to pick up some noise. You can't really individually seek which one you want in terms of microphones, and they're all recording at the same time, so it catches that 360-degree sound because it is a 360 camera after all. But yeah, anyways, let's go test this out. I'm gonna basically sync it to my lav here, and you're gonna see good audio coming from it, hopefully, minus all the wind noises. But yeah, anyways, let's get to it. Let's vlog with us. Let's go. So basically what I want to do today is I want to actually record in 360 mode. So just make sure that you press on here, and that is set to 360. So you can press on that. Right now it's at 150. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. And then if I tap on that again, it's going to turn into 360. Now on this view, you don't really have to choose which way you face it. You can face it towards me right now with the camera, or you can actually just tap back to face the other way, and there you go. And now all you got to do is basically press this button right here, and it will start recording. So it really doesn't matter where you point this thing, it's all going to record. Me right now, I have it facing the other way, but if you use the app, you can actually switch that around and turn it whichever way you'd like. So that is the beauty of this. So you can just literally point it at yourself or point it sideways. I'd rather actually not point it like this, because what ends up happening is you get this stitching effect, and sometimes that can be a little jarring. So like this, you can kind of see the stitching a little bit, but otherwise just point it which way you like with the actual camera facing you or the other way. I'm just going to set you guys here right now, and perfect example right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just bring my stuff to the car and pack it away, and then yeah, you guys can see like me actually keyframing all the way to the car. So hang on one sec. Oh, come on, unlock. There you go. All right, so I'm not sure how long the battery lasts on this. I have it 100% charged at this point in time. You'll see it somewhere on the screen here because I read the manual after. Yeah, that's me. I don't really read the manual, but I like to kind of go about things and learn it. And then if I really do need it, then I will read the manual. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go onto this overpass here, and the great thing about this is now I can actually just pan and keyframe this in the Insta360 app to show you where I'm going. What I'm actually going to do is go on that overpass. Currently recording at 5.7K. Now this sensor, I believe it's a 1-inch sensor, so you're not going to really get the true 5.7K. So it's more like getting 5K, I think, if even that. I like to say it's about a 4.8, something like that. So, but anyways, I'm gonna go up these stairs right now, and we will, let's go on the other side. Let's do it. All right, here we go, let's go. I didn't even put stabilization or anything. I think this is automatic stabilizing. I'm not 100% sure, or I gotta do it in post, but yeah. Whew. What a view, look at that. Tide's coming in. The tide actually used to be very far out on this side, but it seems like this side, you can still kind of travel out a little bit, but the water seems to cut off right in the middle. So if you're on that patch of sand over there, you're gonna get taken away by all the water that's coming from this side over to this side. So not really a great place you want to be. Oh shit, totally forgot. Let's show you guys the mid view here. I'm gonna take a photo. Now, when I mean photo, I actually mean screen cap of this because I don't really feel like turning off the recording. But what I will do is I will take this on my iPhone, and this Pro RAW feature on the iPhone, my God, it's a lifesaver. If you guys aren't using it, highly recommend it. Let's set the composition there. Let's take this side. I don't like that light being in there. See, the good thing about this camera is literally I can point it anywhere. It doesn't really matter where I have it. I could have it over here. I could have it over here, and it's still recording me. All right, so that was a little weird. So when I say the word STOP recording, then what it would do is it would actually just entirely stop the entire thing. So I can't really say that combination of words. So, but anyways, let's take another photo here. Didn't like that lamppost at first. Let's get some cars in here. And boom, boom, done. All right, so let's go on to this side. Okay, I like this. A little bit of wall here. Let's do this shot. Okay, cool. Now, I'm not extending this, what do you call this, rod thing? I'm not extending it that far. So that is one thing. Let me just hang on one second. I'm getting distracted by this. I like taking these landscape photos. I'll show the pictures up as I'm taking them so you guys can see what I'm doing. But yeah, this kind of turned into like a little bit of landscape photography, POV type of style, yet vlogging at the same time. But I can't do this because the Insta360, I really don't care where I'm pointing this camera. All right, so I literally had to turn off the voice activation for stop recording because every time I say stop or recording in the same sentence, then it turns it off. So I had to go into the menu and turn that off. That's a little annoying, to be honest. So I think by default it's on. So you might want to go in there, and if you get this camera, you want to turn that off, because it gets really annoying if you are vlogging. So yeah, anyways, if you're just going ahead and vlogging, I think it's okay unless someone else says it for you. So another cool thing is I can actually extend this all the way, and then I can put it to the ground while I'm walking, so you guys can kind of see this view, and then you can look up at me if you really like. I mean, well, I'm kind of forcing all these moves upon you guys, but yeah. I think I just noticed that that is a windmill over there. I didn't even realize that. I thought that was a lamppost for the longest time, and one of them doesn't even have any propellers on them. That's hilarious. Ooh, that is epic. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna take another photo here. Yeah, that's nice. I'm actually not 100% sure what this part is. I think it's like I like to say it's a fish market. Yeah, definitely a fish market. So fresh fish. Let's go up here. I don't even know what's up here. Oh, okay. It's like a little viewpoint area. It's nice. Should have brought my camera up here. Ooh, I get this like really echoey right in the center here. But anyways, I like this. I like the 360. I like how I can just kind of walk around, and it can basically, in a sense, track me, because in post, you can actually track me if I put like a little box around myself. So that's pretty cool. I can kind of just go all the way around, even all the way to the back here. And then I can keep going forward. Now, the only thing with this is I think that I always, because I'm so used to having a one-sided camera where there's a lens that I look into always, and I just want to point that thing everywhere. This one, I just keep forgetting that it's 360. I can have the camera almost wherever I want to, as long as I'm not blocking the view. So if I can just hold it up high above myself, then I can show you guys everything later in post, because I can keyframe all the viewing angles in post. So that is the best thing that 360 cameras are useful for. Yeah, that is kind of my take on it. I hope you guys kind of like this like small little vlog. I just walked maybe like 200-300 meters. Not really much. I'm not going through every single tech aspect of this. If you do want that stuff, then I'll write it in the description below. But anyways, I will see you guys on the next one. I am actually gonna go get something to eat. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys like this one. If you want to comment down below if this camera is something that you might be into, or if you already have it, and let me know what you don't like about it and like about it. All right, till next time, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. I don't know how to, I usually like block the camera, but now it's, do I have to block both sides?
like you.